Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check Amazon affiliate earnings. So first step, you need to search on the Google Amazon Associates and you need to log in into your Amazon Associates account. So I recently created an account. So here you can see that this is my daily reporting and you can see that I get 348 clicks today but no sales. And if you want to see the full report, you simply need to click here, view full report, and this window will be pop up. And here you can see summary, your commission and your bounties. And here you can see, you can check for today, yesterday, last 7 days, last 30 days, or you can select custom range. And here you can see your complete total earning, total referral as well. And here you can see your complete summary and your earning as well. So this is the process how you can check Amazon affiliate earnings. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.